In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best metal cutting saws in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which metal cutting saws is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Evolution Material Cutting. Multi-material premium Japanese tungsten carbide tipped TCT blade consisted of cuts wood, steel, aluminum, timber with ingrained nails, plastic and a lot more. Powerful 15-amp electric motor optimized gearbox, and also blade system, enhances motor, as well as blade life to cut through a range of materials with ease. Exact accuracy cutting with laser support, trench reduced facility, 11 to 13 or 16-inch slide, 0 to 45 degrees double bevel as well as 50 to 50 degrees miter settings, covers all common reducing angles. Features huge 11 to 13 or 16-inch, 3 to 1 or 2 reducing capacity, ergonomic horizontal trigger with comfortable grasp, integrated bring manages for simple transportation and 13-foot cable television. The effective 15-amp high-torque electric motor with enhanced gearbox and blade system allows you to puncture up to 1 or 8-inch mild steel. Save time and problem flipping your work surface to get your beveled surface. The R255 SMSDB plus S twin bevel capacity has it covered. With a miter cutting ability of 50 degrees, get the tilted finish you need every single time by utilizing the base detents. Ensure the ideal angle and coating on your following woodworking task with laser-guided accuracy for assisted straight-line cutting. The prolonged neck and fence on the R255 SMSDB Plus increases the reducing capability, as well as the dimension of the work surface that you can reduce. Here is the item number 4, Evolution Power Tool Saw. Cuts mild steel clean without warm, burrs or coolant 1750 watt or 15-amp electric motor, extremely mobile. 2700 RPM no-load bevel tilt from 0 to 45, 1-inch blade arbor. Evolution EvaSaw 239-inch steel reducing circular saw supplies the highest grade commercial steel reducing toughness on the marketplace today. When cutting steel, the EvaSaw 230 cuts chilly, no coolant is called for. Since the product is cold, it can be handled and also worked with immediately. Featuring a 48-tooth carbide tipped blade, this machine outshines abrasives, reducing faster as well as long-lasting 20x longer. The development EvaSaw 230 commercial round saw is sturdy and also very mobile. Suitable for cutting steel plate, box areas, scaffolding, cladding, and also roofing. When cutting steel, it leaves an instantaneously workable coating, producing no heat, no burr, and practically no triggers, unlike alternative methods. Move from one sort of cut to one more, effortlessly with the 0 to 45 degrees bevel tilt as well as deepness of cut feature, plus a clear exposure panel to aid exact cutting. Other attributes include a safety switch with overload protection, as well as an auto debris collection system, which collects chippings automatically. The item number 3, Evolution Premium Dry Cut. Strong, die-cast lightweight aluminum alloy base, chip collection. The S380 CPS is advancement's front-runner saw for industrial metal cutting, including the best cutting capabilities, constructed from the toughest materials and also with onboard chip collection. With an effective 15-amp electric motor, the S380 CPS flies with light steel like a warm blade through butter. Dry cut, cool TO touch, burr-free cuts. The included premium tungsten carbide tipped blade for moderate steel cutting represents the latest in completely dry cut technology, dramatically outmatching abrasives. Basically stimulates. Cuts your steel squarely and also efficiently whenever providing an instantly convenient finish. Fits 2 blade dimensions, multiple blade choices. Only the S380 CPS allows you to change out the consisted of 14-inch blade for a 15 to optimize reducing capacities. We likewise use a variety of blades for cutting everything from lightweight aluminum to 302 to 304 stainless steel. Miter saw 0 to 45 degrees angle capability make angle cuts effortlessly. Attributes an actor's iron vise as well as a fence with a quick-release system for risk-free, precise, and also fast securing of the workpiece. Number 2 in our list, Evolution S355 CPSL Tool Saw. Challenging as well as portable with a powerful 15-amp motor and lighter, pushed steel base. The S355 CPSL has all the power you expect, however, with the mobility you need. A chip deflector guides chips away from the driver and lowers cleaning time. Dry cut, cool TO touch, burr-free cuts. The included costs. Tungsten carbide tipped blade for moderate steel cutting represents the most recent in completely dry cut modern technology, dramatically surpassing abrasives. Practically removes triggers. Cuts your steels directly as well as smoothly every time, offering an immediately practical coating. Miter saw 0 to 45 degrees angle capability, make angle cuts effortlessly. Features a cast steel vise and also fencing with a quick release mechanism for secure, exact as well as quick clamping of the workpiece. Blades for every material. Quickly fit your S355 CPSL with Evolution saw blades for any kind of material. We offer a range of mild steel, slim steel, lightweight aluminum, and stainless steel, reducing blades for each application. As it's already been stated, the development saw turns at a much reduced RPM. It transforms at regarding 1500 RPM versus concerning 3500 for an unpleasant cut saw. In theory, you might use an abrasive disc, however you get absolutely nothing except dust, sparks, and also heat in your material. The top one in our list, Evolution Power Tool Saw. Dry metal reducing chop saw, cuts steel with very little warmth or sparks as well as does not require coolant. 1800 watt 15 amp electric motor with high torque transmission, decreases motor tons and also boosts steel cutting efficiency. Heavy-duty cast lightweight aluminum base, for commercial metal cutting. Outmatches unpleasant saws, faster cutting and lengthy blade life, averages 1000 cuts in 2 in moderate steel. Cold reduced saw, cuts metal with minimal warmth and burrs, leaving a convenient finish. Comes supplied with a 14-inch mild steel reducing blade. Development EvoSaw 380 15-inch steel reducing slice saw supplies the highest grade industrial metal cutting toughness on the market today. When cutting steel, the EvoSaw 380 removed saw cuts cold, no coolant is called for. Due to the fact that the product is cool, it can be dealt with and also dealt with immediately. This device cuts steel with basically no heat, burrs, or sparks. It is excellent for reducing steel plate, square tube, angle iron, pipeline, tube as well as steel roofing. The EvoSaw 380 is an updated version of the SteelSaw 2 cutoff saw, which has been discontinued. Technical specifications: electric motor, 1800 watt amps, 15 horsepower, 2.4 RPM, no tons, 1450 blade arbor, 1-inch reducing capability. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best metal cutting saws amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.